Okay, hello guys, welcome again to mathematics learning video with me, Miss Diana. Okay, in this video, we're gonna still look at the example of sketching modulus function of y equals to absolute value of ax plus b. This is the second example. Sketch y equals to absolute value of x plus 2, and then sketch also y equals to the absolute value of x minus 2. Find also the vertex and the ranges. We're gonna sketch first y equals to the absolute value of x plus 2. Y equals to the absolute value of x plus 2. First thing first, as we have learned before, we have to find the vertex of this modulus function. How to find it? By making the inside part of this equals to 0. So in here, I'll have x plus 2 equals to 0, then I'll have x equals to minus 2. So this is the x coordinate of this modulus function. After that, we have to make a table, x and y table here. So this is x, this is y. Put first the x coordinate of the vertex. This is minus 2. Take 2x value from the left and from the right. From the left is, in here is minus 3 and also minus 4 here. And from the right is minus 1 and 0. And then find out the y value if we put this x into this function. So start by the x coordinate of the vertex, which is x equals to minus 2. If I put minus 2 here, minus 2 plus 2 is 0. So y equals to 0 in here. And then minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Because this is the absolute value, so we'll have here 1. Minus 4. Minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. Because of the absolute value, we'll have positive 2. And then minus 1. Minus 1 plus 2 is 1. Okay, and then in here we can write 1. 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay, like this. Okay, now let's plot these points. We have here minus 4, 2, minus 3, 1, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 1, and 0, 2. Okay, let's plot these points into the Cartesian diagram. The first thing first, the vertex minus 2, 0. So this is minus 1, this is minus 2. In here, minus 2, 0, this is the vertex, and then we continue to minus 1, 1. This is minus 1, this is 1 in here, and then 0, 2. This is x equal to 0, this is 1, and this is 2 in here. So we can draw a line like this. Okay, now the left side of minus 2, we have here minus 3, 1, this is 1. And in here we have minus 4, 2, this is 2. Okay, now we can draw a line like this. Put the arrow like this. Okay, this is the graph of y equals to the absolute value of x plus 2. Let's move to the next one. Let's sketch y equals to absolute value of x minus 2. By using the same procedure, we'll find out the vertex of this function. How to find it? Makes this inside of the absolute equals to 0. In here, we'll have x minus 2 equal to 0. Then it gives us x equals to 2. So x equals to 2 is the x coordinate of the vertex. Okay, now the next thing, we have to make a table. Here, x and y table here. Put first x equals to 2 here. And then find another x. This is 1 and 0, 3 and 4 here. Now if I put 2 right here, 2 minus 2 is 0, so y equals to 0. 1 minus 2 is minus 1 because of the absolute sign. So we'll have this y equals to 1. Okay, the next thing, let's put x equals to 1 right here. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. The absolute value of minus 1 is 1. Okay, 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Because of this absolute value, we'll have positive 2. Okay, now the next thing, 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, now let's plot these points into the Cartesian diagram. Now let's plot first the vertex of this function. This is the vertex 2, 0, 2, 0. Supposedly this is 1, this is 2. This is the vertex. Okay, now let's see x equals to 1. In here we have a point 1, 1. This is 1, this is also 1. So this is the point of 1, 1, and then 0, 2. This is x equals to 0, and then 2 here. Okay, this is the next point. Okay, let's join those points together. Okay, like that. Put an arrow here. This is 2. Now let's find out when x equals to 3 and x equals to 4. When x equals to 3, y is 1 in here. And then when x equals to 4, y is 2. Okay, like this. Now we join them together. Okay, put an arrow right here. Okay, now this is the graph of y equals to the absolute value of x minus 2. Okay, now let's see the difference. What is the difference? Look at the vertex. In here we have the vertex x equals to minus 2, and in here we have the vertex x equals to 2. This means actually that the vertex depends on the things inside this absolute value. X plus 2 actually has the x coordinate of the vertex of minus 2, and for y equals to the absolute value x minus 2, then we'll have the x coordinate of the vertex x equals to 2. Then actually we can write like this: y equals to the absolute value of x minus x of the vertex. The next thing, let's answer this question. Find also the vertex and the ranges. For this first function, the vertex is minus 2, 0, and for the ranges, this graph sits on the x-axis upward, so the ranges is y more than or equal to 0. And then for this second function, actually the vertex of this function is 2, 0, and then the ranges is the same, which is y more than or equal to 0, because this graph sits on the x-axis upward.